So hello guys, today I am playing Dino Tamer and I'll be playing survival mode. I've only played a little bit right now, only 7 minutes to be honest. And I'll be naming this evolution till Spino Murti. Yes, his name is Murti. I name him to be honest. And let's see how much we can survive together.
Oh yeah! So guys, this is the chest glitch. You can do this by tapping at the chest, and then you can even, I think we need to turn around, or we just need to tap there, and then done. Glitch done. Unlimited one. I saw it in a video though. It's cool, right? I can become rich by doing this. Let's end the music and you can see there is so much thing with this glitch. Yes, Lego Saddle teach too much too though. Also, I am so rich of this glitch. There is sauropod and chiropod, petrodon, theropod, mosasaura, and mammoth. And then what's okay, mammoth is cool. Also, Dominus Petrosaur. Also, Dominus Theropod. They all are cool. Oh, wrong button. Let's go. Oh, I found Ank. Wait, let me eat first. Oh, attack the Ank. Why are you running? I'm just coming here to kiss you. Ha ha ha. Okay, I'm. Why? Bro, it's super move. It's kinda bad for me. Oh, I dodged the tag, I think. Perfect food. Hello? Bro, starved to death. Oh, 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 oh. Moo, ho, 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 ho. There are 2% still. I need to kill them. Also, I want to say, why is the red smoke coming out of me? Like, am I a catnap? Am I catnap or something like it? Okay, also, where are the NPCs? I'm searching for them so I can eat them. They will be so cool to eat. Yeah. Bro, why am I drinking grass? I've been eating. Drink this. So guys, I'm the only one still alone. So boring. Playing like this is boring so much. Morty is bored, I think. Guys, I have an idea. I think I should end this now. Cause this is boring staying alone. This is the last meal. Last meal, guys. And then the end will come for Morty. Morty's end is here.